The effects of pornography on your brain. With the increasing accessibility to the internet and media technologies, pornography has become one of the most prominent and often controversial phenomena of modern society. This phenomenon, with its long history, has been subject to extensive scientific inquiry, examining its effects on the human brain and behavior. From various perspectives, the consumption of pornography can have significant effects on the brain and social functioning, which we will explore in this article. Given the complexity of this topic, we will attempt to comprehensively and engagingly examine some key aspects of the effects of pornography on the brain. 1. Neural activation. Viewing pornography can lead to increased neural activation in areas of the brain associated with reward, pleasure, and arousal, such as the nucleus accumbens and ventral striatum. This is similar to the neural response observed with other stimuli associated with pleasure, such as food or drugs. 2. Dopamine release. Pornography consumption can trigger the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This can create a cycle of seeking out more pornography to maintain the same level of arousal or satisfaction, similar to addiction patterns seen with drugs. 3. Desensitization. Regular exposure to pornography may lead to desensitization, where individuals require more extreme or novel content to achieve the same level of arousal. This can potentially lead to the normalization of behaviors or content that may be considered deviant or harmful. 4. Impact on relationships. Excessive pornography use has been associated with negative effects on romantic relationships, including decreased satisfaction, intimacy, and sexual performance. It can create unrealistic expectations about sexual behavior and body image, leading to dissatisfaction with real-life partners. 5. Potential for addiction. While not officially recognized as a clinical addiction in diagnostic manuals such as the DSM-5, some researchers argue that pornography addiction shares similarities with substance addiction in terms of neurobiological mechanisms and behavioral patterns. 6. Brain plasticity. The brain has a remarkable ability to adapt and change in response to experiences, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. Prolonged exposure to pornography may lead to alterations in brain structure and function, although the extent and permanence of these changes are still not fully understood. 7. Individual differences. Not everyone who views pornography will experience negative effects, and individual differences in personality, beliefs, and life circumstances play a significant role in determining how pornography affects an individual. Overall, while there is evidence to suggest that pornography can have profound effects on the brain and behavior, further research is needed to fully understand the complexities of these effects and their implications for individuals and society.